This video, I will redraw one of my illustrations from 2019 of Supergirl, okay? And I will show you tips and tricks on how you transform your old illustration into this one. Okay, so let's not waste any more time. Let's proceed to the video. This is Kanachi Arts, and I do character designs and illustrations from the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. And if that's your kind of thing, consider subscribing in this channel, and together we can spread positivity and creativity through art. So, in this video guys, I think this is a perfect opportunity for me to share this moment of time to you, to celebrate my birthday with you guys, okay? And I want to draw this time Supergirl because last year I messed up somehow really bad on drawing her, and I want to make justice of the character. That's why I want to do better this time, okay? And I'm hoping to inspire you guys, for those of you who are losing hope in terms of their art skills because they're not achieving the level that they want to. But that's not true, guys. You just have to put in the work more. Okay, I want to inspire you guys to hold on a second longer, okay? Because if you keep pursuing, you can achieve the level that you want to, okay? So let's not waste any more time. Let's proceed to the video. Welcome back everyone. So here is the progress of our piece so far, and the composition that I've used for this illustration is the triangle shape type of composition, wherein you will use the shape of a triangle to guide the viewer's eye into the subject of your illustration. So in this case, I want you to focus on the face of Supergirl, and in addition to that, I've also added subtle shapes of triangles to give more attention to her face, just like these two shapes of triangle. And to contrast those triangle shapes, I've added the Daily Planet building at her back, which is shaped like a circle. You can see it right here. So I'm gonna refine this thing and I'll get back to you. Welcome back everyone. So here is the progress of our piece so far, and one thing that I want you to be aware of, because this will instantly boost the beauty of your illustration, which is the lighting, okay? And the lighting really helps to pop up your character in the scene, just like this one, okay? So this layer is made of color dodge, okay? And another one is for the backlight. And the other thing that I want to share to you is rim lights, okay? rim lights helps you separate your subject from the background, just like this one. Okay, so I'm gonna refine this thing and I'll get back to you. Welcome back everyone. So here is the progress of our piece so far. Now, I want to share to you two things that I always added to my illustration. So the first thing is the highlights. So highlights really helps to give your illustration contrast and to give more attention to the places wherein it is pleasing to the eye, such as the face. Now, the next thing is blush. Okay, blush helps you improve your faces, especially when you are drawing female characters. It gives them more beauty and freshness to their character. So I'm gonna refine this thing and I'll get back to you with the final illustration. So now we're done with the illustration and I'm so happy how it turns out, and I think I really give justice to the character this time, and I hope you enjoyed this video guys and you like the illustration. I hope that you learned something from it, and I'm hoping that you can use it to improve your art. And if you like this kind of illustrations, I prepared a playlist for you guys to enjoy, so if you have time, please watch them and enjoy the video. And then that's all for this video, and I really want to thank you guys for spending this time with me for my special day, and I really appreciate that. It is really a gift for me, and thank you so much for that. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.